Hello. Seriously, today I'd like to talk about my India. Don't feel like calling it my India anymore. When we see the situation in India, it's terrible. People dying like a flies, and stupid politicians just do politics. And the people who want to make money, they making money. It's the biggest stupidity I ever seen. I'm so shocked to see the people, those who are called themselves very educated or very advanced, they're so silent. They don't even care what's happening in India. We do care when it happens in our own family. India is our big family, it's not small thing. Our guru, our ancestors said to us, look after the world, look after India, look after the people. Think, guys, what you doing? You fucking busy, busy criticizing each other, nothing else. You busy making your self popular or promote yourself in front of the world, nothing else. I'm so shameful to see the Indian government at the moment. We have biggest stupid prime minister in the world, I can say. I never seen a prime minister or government like this in India in my whole life. The people who angry with me or not talking to me, I don't really care. At the moment I care about what's happening in India, what's happening to my people. Again, request to people, those who are call themselves very highly educated or very intelligent. If you can't come forward now, when you gonna come forward? Forget about your family issues, forget about your personal issues. Start talking about, start to change our country now. It's time to change the country now. Look at yourself, what you're doing, please. It's sad, can't see that happening in India. I can't see anymore. Stop watching telly already. There's nothing, just people dying, people crying for help, people crying for help, crying for hospitals, crying for oxygen. When this government made, I did say to a lot of people that time, this government will kill people one day. This is what they done. They doing it is still doing that now. Leave your personal issues. Leave why you angry with people. Fuck that. What's happening? Do something for humanity. Do something what why we came on this earth for. Those who are angry with me, I'm just requesting them again. Stop being angry to anyone. Look after humanity. It's in our hand now. We can't do that. They don't need money. They don't need anything. They need support. They need help, man. Have been crying since morning. I'm not even joking because I can't see anymore. People dying like this. And we call ourselves uh, very subject people. No. We're not subject at all. We're not social at all. We don't know the meaning of religion. We don't know the meaning of God. We don't know fuck all. That's what I wanna say. Promise to yourself, we aren't gonna choose stupid government like that again. Nobody. We only will choose people those who want to do something for the people, for the society. Not anymore nonsense, please. Again, sorry if I swear something. Sorry if I hurt anybody. Sorry if I hurt somebody's feelings. Please come forward. Save India now. Save the humanity, please. Thank you very much.